see, I used the ALXR local module, and here's my module registry. I used Quest Pro plus SteamVR, and I used ALVR and ALXR local module. These are all installed, including the support one. I'm not using the Steam link because it wasn't working. So here's the tracking log. Looks all good. And here is the avatar itself. Yeah, left wing, right wing, and the blend shapes on lip also working, and the tongue tracking would working. There's a debugging window as well to debug the blend shape. And now let me try to switch to a different avatar. Switch to the avatar that I purchased from Hash. And this one was also working pretty well. And then tongue tracking. But with this one, there's a problem. Whenever I do smile, there is a big, giant red thing on the face. I have no idea why. Like, why would there be a giant red thing on the face? Like, I have no idea. I wish it wasn't there. Yep. And this avatar's options also has a control and also has some bugs that I don't know how to fix. Like the eyes could completely go like that if the setting wasn't correct. What I do is I just turn face tracking off and I go to quick action and reset the avatar. That could work. Yeah. And then I have my debugging console, but this one I have to use the default OSC debug. So not sure where that went. Yeah. Yay, this one worked.